Parang BGM.
Ano yung BGM?
Music.
Yeah.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Si Ate Acy and Ate Asa. Dalawa po sila, dalawa. Happy birthday! May idea po ba kayo? Kanino galing ito? Yung surprise sa inyong ano?
Happy birthday to you!
Do you know who's from this card lang surprise for your birthday? Any idea? No? Okay. Ngayon, relax and enjoy this moment. Happy birthday! Today is your birthday. You have birthday songs.
Happy birthday!
Today is your birthday. Our birthday cake. But before you blow the candle, we will sing for you a birthday song.
Tabi kayo, Isa. Tabi kayo. That's for two of you. Okay, we're gonna
Sabayan niyo
sing.
po ako. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Before you blow the candle, I will give one more candle.
Wish.
Thank you.
O, yan yung isa naman pasa kay tita mo. Ay, pati dasas.
Sabay na lang.
Okay, okay. Ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
One, two, three.
Yay!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Because of your birthday, meron po kayo flower! Happy birthday! Meron din po si Dito si Lola.
Lola Gloria represent Mama.
Happy birthday!
Mama, our Lola.
Okay. Here po.
Yay! Lola Gloria.
Lagi nanay.
And lastly po for Ma'am Elaine.
Ate, thank you for everything, my sister.
Thank you for everything from us. And for Ma'am Gloria.
Yes, Lola
Meron po
Gloria.
kayong best mom ever.
Lola.
Which one? At meron pong card. Basahin ko na lang po for
Sige po.
everybody. Happy birthday June celebrant. Lola Gloria, June 10. Mami Icy, June 20. Tita Isa, June 8. And for Ma'am Elaine, thank you, Mami Ganda Elaine. From Elisa, Sarah, and Mami
Eliza,
Thank you,
Sarah.
Eliza. Happy birthday!
Oh, picture
So
taking.
ngayon po, kamustahin ko? Na-surprise po ba ang lahat? Messages na lang po for Ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're all welcome. Pawis na pawis ang bayan.
Surprise!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday